Today we're going to shrink wrap this oil drum using a Shrinkfast Model 998 heat tool. But we're going to do something different because we're going to fuel this heat tool with high pressure natural gas supplied by a G-TEC TB-125 Torch Booster. Now many people are used to using propane with their Shrinkfast heat tools, but natural gas as compared to propane is not only half to two-thirds less expensive, it also doesn't smell bad, and also compared to propane, the G-TEC Torch Booster does not store any gas. It's ready for use as soon as you turn it on. A cylinder of propane holds a lot of energy, and your fire marshal, your building safety officials, people like that appreciate it if you can move stored propane out of your building. A G-TEC TB-125 Torch Booster does that for you. It connects to the utility natural gas line and raises the pressure enough so that you can use your Shrinkfast Model 998 heat tool. And that's an important point because your booster is connected right to your utility gas line. You never run out of fuel gas. So no need for emergency deliveries. You don't run out in the middle of a big job. With a G-TEC TB-125 Torch Booster, you get all the gas you need whenever you need it, no matter how big the job, no matter what time of day you're working. Now, as I say, the TB-125 connects to your utility gas line. Let's bring the camera around here and we'll show you how that works. Now, the booster itself uses a flexible hose, which is part of the system and comes with the unit, and a ball valve, which connects up to the utility gas line. One end screws into the pipe on the utility gas line. The other end screws into the back. And then the power requirement is a 120 volt, 20 amp circuit, so you can plug it in virtually anywhere. The nice thing about a G-TEC system is you can install it almost anywhere. There are no special site requirements, it doesn't need ventilation. Almost any indoor location is fine for using your G-TEC 125 Torch Booster. So let's show you how this works. When you're ready to start shrink wrapping, you turn the machine on, and then when we're ready to start the compressor, and so as you can see, you get a plenty hot flame. We find that the Shrinkfast Model 998 heat tool works best at about 15, 16, 17 psi. So now we're going to go ahead and shrink wrap this oil drum here just to show you how well this works. And so we're getting our gas again from our TB-125 Torch Booster, which gives us a good robust flame at our Shrinkfast Model 998 heat tool. So now we're ready to ship. And as you can see, the Model 998 heat tool with high pressure natural gas has a good hot flame and shrink wraps our product or our pallet, whatever you're ready to ship, pretty quickly. So we've used high pressure natural gas, and the reason you should think about high pressure natural gas is because you'll save, again, between 50% and two-thirds of the cost of propane for equal heat. Again, it's safer because you're not storing gas in your building, and of course, because you're connected right to your utility natural gas line, you'll never run out. A G-TEC TB-125 Torch Booster is the right system to use with the Model 998 Shrinkfast heat tool. We have larger systems if you have more than one heat tool, or if you're using a Model 975, or if you're using the new Model S80 heat tool. Whatever size heat tool you're using, no matter how many heat tools you're using, there's the right size G-TEC natural gas torch booster system for you.